You're standing in front of the mirror wearing your favorite blouse, your best trousers, even that jacket you love. But something's missing. The outfit looks fine, but it doesn't feel complete. It doesn't feel you. Here's what most women over 60 don't realize. The difference between looking fine and looking effortlessly elegant often comes down to one small detail. And it's not what you think. It's not a designer handbag. It's not expensive jewelry. It's not even the clothes themselves. It's a scarf. Welcome to Golden Chic Life. For the most stylish women over 60, the scarf isn't just an accessory. It's a secret weapon. It frames your face, softens your features, draws the eye upward, and transforms even the simplest outfit into something special. And here's the beautiful part. You probably already own scarves. You just don't know how to use them yet. In the next 13 minutes, I'm showing you exactly how to choose, style, and wear scarves to look younger, more sophisticated, and completely put together. These aren't complicated techniques. These are simple, timeless strategies that work on every body, every budget, every day. And that technique at number 5? It's the one trick that makes every woman who tries it look instantly Parisian. Let's begin. Why scarves are essential. After 60. Before we dive into how to wear scarves, you need to understand why they matter so much specifically after 60. Here's the truth. As we age, our neck and décolletage can show signs of time sooner than other areas, and that's completely normal. But a beautifully draped scarf can discreetly add coverage, warmth, and a pop of color or texture right where you want it most. Suddenly, any concern about delicate skin doesn't matter anymore because your style speaks louder than any perceived imperfections. But it's not just about coverage. A scarf instantly elevates even the simplest outfit. Imagine jeans and a t-shirt. Nice, but ordinary. Add a luxurious silk scarf in a vibrant print or soft pastel, and suddenly you look intentional, put together, and sophisticated. This is the quiet power of timeless accessories. They let your personality shine without looking like you tried too hard. Scarves are also brilliant for expressing your individuality. With hundreds of fabrics, colors, patterns, and ways to wear them, scarves allow you to switch up your look as often as you like. One day, a classic cashmere wrap for brunch with friends. The next, a bold patterned silk scarf to brighten a rainy day. The right scarf can make you feel younger, more vibrant, and even spark conversations because people notice when someone looks comfortable and confident. And let's not forget practicality. Scarves are lightweight for summer, cozy for winter, easy to pack for travel, and can transform from neckwear to a chic headscarf, belt, or even handbag accent. So why do fashion experts always recommend scarves as a must-have for women over 60? Because scarves are the easiest, most effective way to look polished, feel beautiful, and embrace elegant aging. Now let me show you exactly how to choose the right scarf for you, how to choose the right scarf for your face shape and coloring. Not all scarves are created equal. The perfect scarf for you depends on your face shape, your body proportions, and even your hairstyle. Let me make this simple. Start with face shape. If your face is more rounded, longer scarves and lighter fabrics help elongate your silhouette. Let the ends hang freely to create a slimming, vertical effect. If your face is more angular or heart-shaped, softer draped styles like an infinity scarf or a loosely tied silk scarf gently soften lines and highlight your cheekbones. Don't be afraid to play with different knots and styles until you find what feels most you. Color is your secret weapon. If you want to brighten your complexion and look more youthful, choose scarves in colors that flatter your skin tone and hair color. Warm skin tones glow with coral, camel, rich gold, and olive green. Cool skin tones shine with sapphire, silver, rose, and icy blue. If you've embraced gray or silver hair, jewel-tone scarves like emerald, royal purple, or deep red add instant pop. Think about body type. If you're petite, avoid oversized scarves that overwhelm your frame. Opt for lightweight silk or chiffon tied closer to the neck or draped simply. For curvier or taller women, larger scarves and wraps create balanced, luxurious looks. Think generous cashmere stoles or wide rectangular scarves that double as shawls. Don't overlook fabric and texture. For daily wear, natural fibers like silk, cashmere, and soft cotton feel comfortable and look timeless. These fabrics move with you and drape elegantly. Lightweight wool blends are ideal for fall and winter. If you love a bit of glamour, a scarf with delicate fringe or hint of shimmer brightens your whole face. And what about hairstyle? Women with shorter hair often find that a scarf tied close to the neck emphasizes the neckline and brings focus to the face. If you have longer hair, try a loose drape or chic side knot for balance and elegance. Above all, choosing a scarf should feel like play, not pressure. Trust your instincts. The best scarves for mature women are the ones that make you smile when you catch your reflection. Now let's talk about color pairings. Before we continue, if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe. Golden Chic Life is all about helping women over 60 dress with elegance, confidence, and timeless style. Mastering color combinations. One of the quickest ways to look instantly younger and more elegant is through color matching, especially with scarves. The right color can brighten your complexion, make your eyes pop, and lift your entire mood. Let me break down simple, timeless strategies. Understand color theory for mature women. Warm colors like gold, coral, olive, and deep reds add energy and a sun-kissed glow. Cool shades like navy, teal, silver, and lavender bring calm sophistication and flatter women with cooler undertones or gray hair. If you're not sure which group you fall into, hold a scarf near your face in different lighting. The right shades will instantly make your skin look brighter and your eyes more alive. Here are tried and true color combinations. Monochrome. Pair a scarf that matches or closely echoes your top or jacket for a sleek, elongated silhouette. Navy scarf on navy sweater. Beige wrap on cream blouse. Always chic. Complementary colors. Choose scarves in colors opposite your outfit on the color wheel. Teal scarf with burnt orange dress. This adds interest without looking busy. Analogous tones. Try scarves within the same color family as your clothes. Rose and burgundy. Camel and chocolate brown. This subtle approach feels current and polished. Patterned scarves are powerful tools. Flattering scarves for over 60 often feature gentle florals, soft geometrics, or watercolor prints. These add visual interest while softening features. If your outfit is solid colored, make your scarf the star with vibrant pattern. If your clothes have prints, choose a scarf in one of the same colors, but with different scale or pattern. Don't forget textures and layering. Combining a lightweight silk scarf with chunky knit sweater or cashmere wrap over cotton blouse adds depth and dimension. These contrasts give your style a fresh, updated feel. Here's a quick trick. If you want to draw attention away from areas you're less confident about, choose a scarf in a color that flatters your face and drape it so the ends fall down the center of your body. This vertical line elongates your silhouette and always feels age-appropriate. Color matching isn't about strict rules. It's about experimenting and having fun. Now let's put this into practice with 6 simple scarf tying techniques. 6 timeless scarf tying techniques. Even the most beautiful scarf needs the right finishing touch. Let me show you 6 techniques that work for every occasion. 1. The classic drape. The simplest and most sophisticated way to wear a scarf is to drape it around your neck, letting both ends hang loose. This works beautifully with long, lightweight scarves and instantly elongates your torso. Perfect for petite women. Choose a scarf in vibrant color or subtle pattern to make it the focal point. This looks perfect with open coats, sweaters, and simple t-shirts. 2. The French knot. Fold your scarf in half, place it around your neck, and pull the loose ends through the loop. Adjust so it sits at your collarbone. This brings Parisian chic to any wardrobe. It flatters almost every face shape and looks fantastic with collared shirts and blazers. 3. The chic loop. Wrap your scarf around your neck twice, then tie a loose knot with the ends. Tuck the knot under the loop for a neat, cozy finish. This works well with chunky knits or puffer jackets and adds instant warmth and volume. 4. The side bow. Fold a square scarf into a triangle, roll it into a strip, and tie it off to the side of your neck in a soft bow. This draws attention to your jawline and brings youthful energy to your style, especially flattering for women with short hair. 5. The Ascot. For formal occasions or when you want old-school Hollywood glamour, the Ascot is your answer. Drape the scarf around your neck, cross the ends over each other, and tuck them into your blouse or sweater. This keeps you looking refined and polished. Perfect for business meetings or elegant dinners. 6. The belted wrap place. A large, lightweight scarf or pashmina over your shoulders like a shawl. Then cinch it at the waist with a thin belt. This highlights your waistline and transforms any outfit into a statement look. Bonus tips. Avoid bulky knots with silk scarves. Let the fabric drape naturally. To prevent slipping, use a discreet scarf ring or brooch. Roll scarves instead of folding when storing to prevent wrinkles. Practice these in front of a mirror. Sometimes an imperfect knot is what makes your style unique and personal. Coordinating scarves with accessories and hairstyles. True elegance shines when every detail works together in harmony. Accessorizing with earrings and necklaces. When wearing a scarf close to your neck, opt for delicate earrings, simple studs, small hoops, or understated pearls. If your scarf is longer and draped, you can play with bolder earrings. Scarves and necklaces rarely mix well when worn together at the neck, but you can layer a long pendant over a simple scarf drape. Choosing scarves for different hairstyles. For women with shorter pixie cuts, a scarf tied close to the neck brings attention to your face and jawline. If you have medium or long hair, experiment with looser scarf styles, or try wrapping a lightweight scarf as a headband. If you love wearing your hair up, tie a slim silk scarf around your ponytail or bun, pairing with outfits and outerwear. If your outfit has bold colors or busy prints, choose a solid colored scarf that picks up one of the hues. For neutral outfits like classic denim, white shirt, or black dress, let your scarf become the statement piece. For outerwear, drape your scarf over your shoulders or tie it outside the coat for maximum effect. The golden rule: one standout piece like a stunning scarf paired with simple, well-chosen accessories is all you need. Don't overload. Let each element breathe. So here we are. Scarves aren't just accessories. They're tools for elegance, confidence, and self-expression at every age. You've learned why scarves matter after 60, how to choose the right ones for your face and coloring, how to master color combinations, 6 timeless tying techniques, and how to coordinate with accessories. These aren't complicated tricks. They're simple principles that transform how you look and feel every day. So which technique are you going to try first? The French knot? The side bow? The belted wrap? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now. Golden Chic Life is here to help you dress with elegance, confidence, and sophistication at every age. In my next video, I'm revealing the 5 biggest accessory mistakes women over 60 make and exactly how to fix them. Until then, remember this: elegance has no age limit, and with the right scarf, you can look and feel incredible every single day. Thank you for being here. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, beautiful.